So over here, you can see that I have this site right here. And let's say I want to actually go ahead and see how my website and my blog, in fact, is performing. So for that, you can actually go ahead and access out your analytics. So to do that, you can simply go around over here onto let's say, for example, onto the settings section right here. And under here, you can see the analytics option right here. And you can see like there are top visitors, and you can go ahead and then filter it out per last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, and even 90 days right here, according to how you want. So this is just a dummy site, so you don't really see much data right here, but you can see like which pages are most visited right here. So home page is the top page visited. You can see the countries right here, the devices from which they are visited, and the source of where the visitors are coming from right here. So apart from that, you can also see the blog section right here, where you see like which blog post is the most viewed one. If you were to actually go to your blog, under the blog setting, you can also see analytics right here. And if you were to go ahead and click, it simply brings up the same analytics right here. You see the blog right here on the bottom, and everything else full screen right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can access out your analytics and view out how your entire page is performing easily inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.